Welcome back to East Texas. We're joined now by Russell from Met Health. Thank you for being here today.
You're welcome.
So today we're going to talk about how we can be prepared for this extreme heat. We are in summer. We're halfway through July.
I know, and it's just now really gotten hot, but the humidity and the heat really has come on in the last few days.
It snuck up on us, and now it's like, it's here. What do we do, Russell?
Okay, so first off, we want people to understand that heat injury happens to everybody. I've seen conditioned athletes to folks who do construction outside, but those most susceptible are the elderly and the very young. And so the heat plans developed by Tyler Fire, Smith County, and the Northeast Texas Public Health District. And you know, the two things we really want to stress in this 11-page plan is water and then the science, the information about how to avoid a heat injury.
So what are some heat injuries then? Obviously heat stroke, are there other things?
Heat stroke, heat exhaustion, you know, it comes on and by the time it gets to heat stroke, it really is a life-threatening emergency. It's really hard to turn somebody around who's had a heat stroke, and a lot of times it is fatal.
Other than not living in Texas, what are the best ways we can prevent these heat injuries from happening to us and our loved ones?
Yeah, so water and information really is the two easy things to do. If you have to be outside and you're lucky enough to work or participate in team sports and there's others to watch out for you to make sure you're not, you know, overstressing yourself, that's a great thing. But understanding where the heat injury comes from and the mechanisms. You can pull this plan down from any of our websites, Smith County, Tyler Fire, Northeast Texas Public Health District, and learn about how to recognize that heat injury before it comes on.
So what are some of the, I guess, signals that you can recognize that either your child or someone you're with is starting to get exhausted like that? Yeah,
so flushed face, you know, very red, profusely sweating, lethargic. That's kind of the beginnings. If you proceed to the point where, you know, you're pale, you've stopped sweating, that's indicative of a heat stroke. So you really want to understand those symptoms in yourself and in others and watch out for them.
Great information, all in the plan. So where can people find this?
Okay, they can go to the City of Tyler Fire website, or to Northeast Texas Public Health District, or to the Smith County website.
I was going to say, and you guys don't just know about heat exhaustion, you guys have lots of great emergency preparedness. Can people find other information there?
Sure. You know, we have Barry out there. Hopefully it won't affect Texas too much, but we do have plans that you can make, checklists to create your own plan, and a survival kit. So right now I'd recommend that people, you know, do an inventory. Are your papers stowed away properly? Do you have half a tank of gas or more? Do you have a little access to cash right now?
All right, Russell, thank you so much. Such great information and at a great time as well. Thank you for being here today.
You're welcome.
All right.